Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your babe Antoinette. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by, and now that you're here, please click that red subscribe button and be a part of this family. If you're the oldie and goodie, thank you so much, and I love you. So today we have a sweet guest here.
Oh really?
My bestie is here. Benita. Pikin Wege Ben Legs.
Oh no, you can't tell me that.
Pikin Wege Ben Legs is here on our channel, gracing this beautiful space.
And I'm super duper excited to be part of this show today.
So this is my friend for a long time. We are going to do a best friend tag. We just want to know how best we know each other. And so with us here, we have this question. We have the questions here, so we're going to be asking and answering. So if you don't know the right answer, you're going to be chilling. And someone is definitely going to get drunk.
I know that's for me.
This is what we have here. Of course, this is alcohol, but not too much. I think about 8% or so.
No.
So, I know who is going to get drunk, but
Trust
it's a kiss
me,
and don't tell.
I want to. Anyways.
The first question is, when is my birthday?
Your birthday? The 25th of August, 1994. Am I right?
Alright, so let me just be pouring this thing.
Oh no.
Because someone is drinking right
No, that's too much. That's too much.
I'm filling it up. You don't have to finish it.
Oh. Okay.
So, my birthday is on the 25th of August.
Yes.
1994. 25th of August.
25th of August. You were, I think the 27th, right?
Okay, so guys, she didn't remember my birthday.
Oh my god.
So, she's going to drink.
Oh.
25th of August. It's a shame. She is forming. She drinks a lot.
That's not true. This is heavy for me.
25th of August.
Well, maybe can you help me with that?
21st.
Oh.
I was born on the 21st of August, 1994.
But it's just a little mistake now.
No, that's a mistake.
Okay.
Yes, so you were born on the 3rd of October.
Okay.
Right?
That's
Copy
true.
that. Copy that. Copy that. Copy that. Copy that.
And she's happy. Happy about what?
Where did we meet?
The great annual.
The good old school.
One of the best, I think the best girls' school in town.
The best.
The best among the rest.
Okay, that one, we all know that one. How much time does it take me to get ready?
Oh my goodness, I was waiting for this question like forever. You take forever to get ready, baby. Oh, I wonder why Calvin is not complaining about that, but you know what? It takes forever for you to get ready.
Okay, next question.
What is it? My favorite song.
Your favorite song? I know you love Nigerian music. Yes, you love Nigerian music, and right now Tiwa is doing something.
Oh my
Tiwa, check her WhatsApp status. That is why we watch WhatsApp status.
The specific.
Tiwa. So Afrobeat.
Okay, you got.
So what's
my
favorite song?
And my. Oh,
your favorite song, yeah.
Your favorite, Don Williams now. I got that.
Good old music.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
And before we go further, my favorite song for this 2020 is "Attention" by Tiwa. Tiwa, baby.
Let's have a taste.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh, I would love to do that. Oh, I would like to sue me, oh. Baby, me tired for this your matter. In done they give me headache, oh. And they like, so we gotta take a break, oh. Enough of the promises. You say you're gonna make it up to me, but you keep getting worse. So cut.
I know nothing about what she's saying.
Oh,
I
really?
don't know the song and stuff.
Okay,
but-
now you know. Tiwa.
Yeah.
So what do we have next? What's my favorite food?
Favorite food. Favorite food.
Yeah.
Favorite food. She loves everything. She eats everything.
Ha! No, that's not true, baby. You're going to have that.
Okay.
You're going to
So, okay, let me drink.
have. Okay.
This is my best wine. So, for me,
Okay.
this is more than a game. Thank you.
You're welcome. My favorite.
So, what's my favorite food?
My favorite food first.
I don't know. That's why you told me to drink. Okay. So, it's my turn. What's my favorite food?
Your favorite food? Ha! It's lip tea. Lip tea. It's lip tea now. Ha! I'm saying you choose.
Jesus, favorite food is Lipton.
In the morning, when you wake up in the morning, the first thing you want to drink is lip tea. In the afternoon, you want to drink it. In the evening, you want to drink it. What else? If not lip tea.
Tea. Is tea classified as food?
Oh, but that's what I know now. That's your favorite. You cannot go a day without it.
Okay.
Ha!
Alright.
Yeah.
My favorite food is Lipton. Then what is my favorite drink?
Your favorite drink?
Yeah.
Canel.
Okay, you're watching. She's looking at the wine. You do well.
Ah.
You do well, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
No
Next
way.
question. What is my fave breakfast?
Lip tea. Lip tea now. In the morning, the first thing you ask for, lip tea. And lip tea. You're so addicted to that tea. I don't really know what you get from it. But it's lip tea.
My people. Is tea breakfast?
But that's what you do normally ask for first thing in the morning when you get up from bed.
Thank you. Let's proceed.
Okay. What food? Yeah, that's me. Your BFF. That's me. Can't live without.
Rice. She can't live without rice. You can't live without rice.
I said.
I'm not even going to drink. She
my
can't.
baby, take it.
She can't live
Take it,
without
take it.
rice.
I said, take it.
You can't
Take it,
live
take
without
it.
rice.
How did you know?
You can't live without rice. Okay. One instance. She came to my house this evening. Should I finish?
Go on.
And she was like, you know who today?
Because I was so hungry. I left home since morning.
I gave her a bottle of cider.
Oh my goodness, this is wrong.
But the first thing she asked for was rice.
Because I was hungry. And
That
for the
means you
fact
can't
that I'm
live
a
without
Sierra
rice.
Leonean, every Sierra Leonean cannot go jail without rice.
So we cannot live
But-
without rice. I'm not drinking. I'm correct. We cannot live without rice.
Oh yes, I can live without rice now.
Then what can't you live without?
Oh,
Boyfriends?
oh my goodness. Come on. Anyway, you win. Okay, what next? What next? What next? What next? Oh, this one. I know that. Oh my goodness. Oh.
What?
Take the paper. Anyways, this question here says, who is more who is more likely to get fired from a job?
I don't know.
Take it.
How?
Take it.
How?
You said you don't know. So take it.
No, who is more likely to get fired?
I am the one that asked the question.
No, okay.
You should answer.
Alright, help me. Who is more likely to get fired?
This is... And me, I don't want to lie. You know that I don't...
Yeah.
I'm not good at
Yeah, so
telling
just tell the truth and save yourself.
Anyway, people, I listen to the word of God. I don't want to lie. Me.
More likely to get fired.
Yes.
Thank you. You know, I just didn't want to come out here and use my mouth to say it.
No, I said the truth. And anyways, you go.
What subject? What?
Continue, I'm listening.
What subject am I terrible at?
Oh, it's obvious now. Math. Mathics. We hear
What
that.
about you? Uh-huh.
Not me. I try to escape. You know, when I was in JSS, I said I don't want to do mathematics simply because I happens to be in the arts team. And God said, wait, I'm going to arrest you when you go to university.
Same
So I
me.
think I'm much more better than you. Is that not so?
See.
No, is that not so?
So me.
Well, the both of us. You don't like it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So, what was your first impression?
Oh, really?
Yeah. When we first met, what was the first impression?
My first impression about you are like you're not friendly. You stuck up to yourself. Like you're an introvert. And you're always like that kind of a person that's too serious in class. You're always with novels. That whole mentality change when I get to know you more better and we begin to interact. But one thing I have to say to everybody that's watching this video, you don't judge a book by its cover. Because if you judge a book by its cover, you might end up making the wrong judgment. I think you should try to flip the pages of that book and try to know the content of that book. And so I think that's
it is well in the name of Jesus.
Hey.
Pastor, preach on.
That's exactly what I did. And trust me, I get to know this lady better. Then I realized that she's a wonderful and a sweet soul.
Okay, thank you, Pastor. So, how about you?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so when I first met Benny,
Uh-huh.
Pikiwege Ben Legs.
Oh, no, you don't.
She's actually Benita, but we call her Pikiwege Ben Legs, and she actually has Ben Legs. Okay, so when I first met her
Oh no.
at Very
Wallet.
Walsh, I thought she was clumsy. She's always dull. Yes.
Really?
Yes. She was really, really dull, like always dull.
How come I
And
always get my...
she behaved so maturely, like she has kids that she's taking care of. Back in school, not now.
Oh.
Benita doesn't smile. She's always clumsy and
Oh,
stuff.
no.
So the first time I met her, I thought she was just a bad bitch. Yes.
Really?
I thought she was not friendly. I thought she was all things evil.
Thank God I'm not.
Not until I got close to her, then I get to realize she's sweet and she can die for a friend. That one I can say. She can give you her energy and everything. She can be there to help, to assist, and all of that.
Shoot.
Not me, that's for her. Okay, so she can do everything for a friend. She can give her time and all for a friend.
Thanks for the
And
compliment.
that is kudos to her.
Oh.
That's why I keep telling her. And for my wedding, like she was she's family already because she helped me greatly. She was there up and down
What
with
are
me.
friends for?
That's why I keep telling her for her wedding I'm going to just spoil her time.
Oh.
And this is where we're going to close this video for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you have been here up to this time, I want to say I appreciate you so much. My
much.
God will richly
Bless you people.
And if you
double
have
portion of blessing.
Jesus,
what you need for this 2020, don't bother yourself. You'll get it.
at your dust. Let me just close from where the pastor stopped. If you are here up till now, please hit that red subscribe button. If you haven't, drop your comments in the comment section, and please say bye to Benita. Tell her you love her in the comment section.
I love you guys so much.
Bye for now.